So finally, Kling, Minimax, and even VEO 3 have all stopped giving out free credits, and honestly, that sucks. But your luck is just crazy good because right on time, ByteDance has launched its new AI video generation model, Seedance 1.0. And yep, this is the same model that's managed to beat even big names like VEO 3 and Kling 2 in rankings. So in this video, I'm going to show you 2 tricks that will let you use this model completely free and generate unlimited videos. And just look at the video quality on the screen. Seriously, it's next level. I mean, the camera movements are so professional, you probably haven't seen anything like this before from an AI tool. So now, first of all, you need to open Google and search for Kling AI. When you open the first link, it'll probably show you an error. That's because the platform has only launched in a few countries so far. So we're going to need a VPN extension. You can use any free VPN you want, then connect the VPN to the USA, and once you refresh the page, you'll see the Kling interface show up here. If you're opening it on mobile, make sure to enable desktop site mode. Just download any free VPN from the Play Store and connect. Simple. After that, the rest of the process is basically the same. Now click on Create Now and sign up. For signing up, we're going to use the Continue with Email option because that's the only option where we can use a temporary email. The process is super simple. Just copy and paste the email, then take the verification code you receive and paste it here. And just like that, we can create unlimited accounts using TempMail. After opening the account, you'll see the credits showing in the bottom left corner. Right now, we're getting 120 free credits every day, which means, to be honest, we don't even need TempMail that much. You can easily manage with multiple Gmail accounts too. But in the second trick, I'll show you how to get unlimited credits from just one account. For now, we're going to see 3 options here: AI image, AI video, and AI avatar. And of course, to generate videos, we're going to use the AI video feature. So now to make a video, I'm going to grab a few prompts using ChatGPT and then test them one by one. Our first prompt is a child releasing a red balloon into a cloudy sky in slow motion. Paste it and let's generate. Now here's another prompt. This one's a time-lapse video of a flower blooming. Each video costs 50 credits, which means you can only make 2 videos from a single account. There's also another model that takes only 40 credits, but honestly, the video quality there isn't even close. And here, as you can see, the video it's generating is absolutely stunning. Watching videos like this being made by AI, it's so satisfying to the eyes, no kidding. Now you can also download the video from here, but there's a big watermark on it. Don't worry though, I'll show you how to remove that watermark later in the video. So now, since the credits in this account are finished, go ahead and sign out, then register again with another TempMail. This time I gave a cinematic and a cartoonish video prompt, and look at the result. It looks absolutely perfect. There's also an option to add soundtracks, which only costs 10 credits. And the music gets automatically selected based on your video style, cinematic music for cinematic videos, cartoon music for cartoon videos, everything's matched automatically. So now, to remove the watermark from the video, we're going to use an AI tool called vMake AI. Just go to Google and search vMake AI watermark remover. Then click on the first link, and from here, you can remove the watermark from all your videos. You can upload 3 videos at once and get their watermarks removed. Just keep in mind that each video should be 5 seconds or shorter. If you have a 10-second clip, you can split it into 2 parts. Then remove the watermark from both videos separately. Now let's move on to our second trick, where you can get unlimited credits from just one account. And for this, we're going to need to add a specific VPN extension called Urban VPN. After adding the extension, connect it to either Nigeria or Algeria. Pick one of those 2. Now listen, this VPN is not mandatory, but whichever VPN you use, it must have the Nigeria or Algeria location. Then we'll open Kling AI again and register with a new email. This time, after registering, you'll see 0 credits in your account. And when you click on the AI video option, it'll say coming soon. That's because the model hasn't officially launched in that region yet. So here's what you do. Simply change your VPN again and reconnect to the USA. And now after connecting to the USA, you'll see that your credits are still showing as 0. But when you enter a prompt and try to generate a video, guess what? It won't cost you any credits. Yep, it literally says 0 credits needed for generation. And just like that, you can make not 1, not 2, but as many videos as you want. As you can see here, I've already generated more than 10 videos. And if I wanted to, I could keep going. But obviously this trick is temporary. It might stop working after a few days. If you're watching this video a bit later, it might already be patched. But the first trick, that one's permanent. It's gonna work for a long time. All right then, comment below and let me know how you liked the video. And before you go, don't forget to drop some ideas for the next one. I'll see you in that video. Until then, bye.